of you. Today we will start the chapter in mathematics as a fraction. We know that fraction is a part of a fraction represents a part of a whole number or a collection. Suppose we take a example. This is a chapati and this is a chapati. I divided this chapati into 4 equal parts. First, second, third and fourth. This chapati is divided into 4 equal parts and I have to distribute these 4 equal parts among 4 persons. So, the total number of division in this chapati is 4. Total number of division of this chapati is 4. If I want to give one part to one person, so I write the fraction of that particular person as a 1 by 4. In second part, first part is this one. In second part, it is represented as a 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So all this fraction is when added and we obtain as a 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, then it will be equal to 4 into 1 by 4 equal to 1. So our fraction should not be greater than 1. In fraction, we see that this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So the total number of division is always placed in the denominator and the person who is taking its part is placed in the numerator. There are several types of a fraction. We see that division of a fraction. First is common fraction. Common fraction. This is called vulgar fraction or it is called proper fraction. Second one is improper fraction. Third one is mixed fraction. Fourth one is equivalent fraction. Fifth one is like fraction. And sixth one is unlike fraction. Here fraction have several types. First one is common fraction. This fraction is also called vulgar fraction or proper fraction. Second one is improper fraction. Third one is mixed fraction. Fourth one is equivalent fraction. Fifth one is like fraction. And sixth one is unlike fraction. Now we will discuss one by one each fraction. Now I start from common fraction or vulgar fraction or proper fraction. First one is common fraction. Or proper fraction. What is common fraction or proper fraction? Fraction having numerator less than the denominator. It means numerator is always less than denominator. This is the common fraction. common fraction means this is the when you write any number in the fraction form, this is numerator and this is denominator. Here numerator is less than the denominator. It means numerator is always less than the denominator. Suppose that I take the example as a 1 by 2. Here 2 is the denominator, 1 is the numerator. Numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. Here 1 is less than 2. So this fraction is called, this type of fraction is called common fraction or proper fraction. Improper fraction. Second is improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Fraction having numerator greater than denominator. Fraction having numerator greater than denominator. Such type of fraction is called improper fraction. Here numerator is greater than the denominator. It means numerator is greater than denominator. This is the inequality sign. The side which mouth is open is greater and the side which mouth is closed is smaller. Now I write in the fraction form n by d equal to, here numerator is greater than the denominator, suppose that 2 by 1 or 3 by 2. This type of fraction is called improper fraction. Third one is mixed fraction. Third one is mixed fraction. Before we study the improper fraction such as 9 by 4 can be written as mixed fraction. Can be written as mixed fraction. Here 9 by 4. Here numerator is greater than denominator, so it is the improper fraction, and this improper fraction can be written as mixed fraction. See, 4, 9 is divided by 4, 4 2 is 8, 1 is remainder. So this can be written as 9 by 4. This is improper fraction. This can be written as in mixed fraction 2 1 by 4. Now see here, this fraction is the improper fraction. Improper fraction. And this fraction is the mixed fraction. This fraction is the mixed fraction. So I have changed from improper fraction to the mixed fraction. In this way, improper fraction is easily can be converted into the mixed fraction. Fourth one is equivalent fraction here. In this type of fraction, the numerator and denominator of a fraction can be multiplied by non-zero whole number. Suppose that we take as an example, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. 1 by 2. Numerator is 1, denominator is 2. I have to make the equivalent fraction of this fraction. So we have to multiply 1 by 2 by any non-zero whole number between these two, numerator and denominator. Suppose that 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 2 by 4. 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 into 3 into 3 equal to 3 by 6. 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 into 4 into 4 equal to 4 by 8. Here 1 by 2 is a fraction and this fraction is multiplied by any non-zero whole number, that is here I have taken as 2. This 2 is multiplied by the numerator, as the same number should be multiplied both numerator and denominator. Here 2 is multiplied by 1, we obtain as a 2, and 2 into 2 here we obtain as a 4. In next step, here 1 by 2 is multiplied by 3 in numerator as well as in denominator. So here 3 is multiplied by 1, we obtain as a 3, and 3 is multiplied by 2, obtain as a 6. So at last 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 3 by 6 equal to 4 by 8. These all fractions are equivalent to each other. It have same denominator but different numerator. Different numerator, same denominator but different numerator. Like fraction having the same denominator but different numerator. Suppose that we take the example 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5. This is the, here we see in this fraction we see that this type of fraction, here 1 by 5, 2 by 5 and 3 by 5, here all the fraction having the same denominator. All the fraction having the same denominator. This type of fraction is called like fraction. In unlike fraction having the different denominator, fraction having different denominator, unlike fraction are those fractions which have this different denominator. We take as an example, here we take the example 5 by 8, 4 by 5, 10 by 11. Here the denominator of this fraction is different.